Welcome back to Shib Kai, everyone. Shib News today. Samsung's new way to make Shiba Inu a $3 token. An on-chain analytics company recently discovered that Shiba was the most popular cryptocurrency in new wallets throughout the previous week. For the baby boomer generation, banking was a dull subject, but in the age of programmable money, finance is exciting. Many people would likely guess Bitcoin if asked to name the coin they believe new cryptocurrency adopters have been using the most in the last week, but it doesn't appear to be the case. Ethereum, a peer-to-peer network computer, is the second most valuable cryptocurrency by market capitalization. The latest Samsung method to make Shiba Inu a $3 token, Shib News today, will be discussed in this video. For our most recent information on Shiba Inu price forecasts and professional analysis, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get the video started right now. According to Nansen's on-chain data, Shiba Inu was the most preferred non-stable coin digital asset for newly funded cryptocurrency wallets during the previous 7 days. Nansen transferred more than $56 million worth of SHIB tokens into 12,000 new wallets during that time. The most frequent cryptocurrency to show up in these balances, aside from stable coins, was the ERC20 token, according to Nansen. Like the rest of the market, Shiba Inu saw a minor pullback. After rising in January, stock prices began to decline at the same time as the retreat. Many analysts and pundits blamed the crash on the Fed's increasingly hawkish interest rate rhetoric and dismal economic statistics. Binance has the highest Shiba Inu and SHIB balances. However, wrapped ETH on Uniswap and shibaswap is the most popular trading pair partner for SHIB by volume. The centralized cryptocurrency exchange, Binance, only delisted a few trade pairings that featured Shiba Inu, despite recent false reports to the contrary. The recently revealed Shibarium, an Ethereum Layer 2 ecosystem for developing decentralized apps with SHIB as a native coin, is being anxiously anticipated by SHIB aficionados today. The largest Ethereum whales in the world have seen their Shiba Inu holdings increase by hundreds of millions of dollars in less than a week, according to new data. Since January 17, the top 1,000 Ethereum whales have consumed $422 million worth of the meme asset, according to whale survey website WhaleStats. According to earlier reports, the same whales owned over $168 million worth of SHIB, which means that in just 4 days, their holdings of the dogecoin rival climbed by an astounding 151%. Shiba Inu is currently the most valuable digital asset owned by the top 1,000 Ethereum whales, according to WhaleStats, as a result of its accumulation frenzy. The total value of SHIB holdings among the investor cohort is currently $584 million. The high net worth traders also own $55 million worth of interoperable blockchain quant UNT, $65 million worth of Oracle supplier Chainlink, LINK, $58 million each in decentralized exchange Uniswap, UNI, and the flash-and-airy cryptocurrency BitDAO. The price of the meme token, which ranged from $0 and 1,045 cents on January 17 to a peak of $0 and 121 cents, may have been influenced by the whale activity related to Shiba Inu. Since then, SHIB has increased in value and is currently trading for $0 and 126 cents. As the ecosystem prepares for the beta release of Shibarium, a projected layer 2 for the Doge competitor, whales are accumulating SHIB, like Polygon, MATIC, Arbitrum, and Optimism. OP, the protocol will be a layer 2 network based on Ethereum. The recent spike in cryptocurrency prices has been especially beneficial to Shiba Inu coin. The price increased significantly during the past 7 days, gaining more than 20% in value. In the upcoming months and years, many investors anticipate significant increases. John Richmond, an English-Italian fashion designer, has collaborated with a number of well-known people, including Madonna, the Rolling Stones, and Gwen Stefani. The fashion designer is now concentrating on Web3. The new strategy is based on the benefits that decentralization offers the world. Richmond's tweet claims that there are many parallels between the groundbreaking Web3 breakthrough and the revolutionary punk rock movement. According to the well-known stylist, it reflects a strong energy and a yearning for change, much like the UK's punk rock movement of the 1980s. Rock and roll's spirit has always been about giving voice to the disadvantaged and disenfranchised, pushing boundaries, and questioning the existing quo. Artists and members of the Web3 community are motivated by the same enthusiasm. John Richmond just unveiled a Vogue magazine cover featuring Snoop Dogg, even though his prior partnerships are deserving of a star lineup. The renowned hip-hop artist infused fashion with a dash of West Coast flair. John Richmond's philosophy of experimenting with diverse styles is ideally aligned with the rebellious street style with a tinge of classical attire. When Snoop Dogg was featured in Vogue magazine, the Shib Army was ecstatic. In response, numerous Shib Army members tweeted to Satoshi Kusama, the game's primary developer, asking whether Snoop Dogg could perform in Shib, the metaverse's Rail Plaza or Bark Park. In the end, Shiba Inu's development team is working on a Web3 project called Shib, the metaverse. However, Shibarium, the Layer 2 scaling solution, must launch before Shib. The metaverse can go live. Wonderful appearance, Mr. Snoop Dogg. What time is the Real Plaza concert? I take it that hashtag Shib the Metaverse would be honored to welcome you. A fan at ShibToken and at ShibHimV tweeted, hashtag ShibArmy. As key developer, Satoshi Kusama and official accounts of the Shiba ecosystem provide clues about the expected date. The Shiba Inu community eagerly awaits the introduction of the Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain. Based on clues from Satoshi Kusama's Twitter post, the Shib Army thinks the beta release of Shibarium will take place on Valentine's Day, February 14. Satoshi Kusama, the chief developer of Shiba, updated his Twitter bio and included teases about the expected release of the Shibarium Layer 2 blockchain. Tending the Pine Tree of Life is the title of the updated biography. Prior to placing hashtag Shibarium in a heart-shaped box with a bow, quickly mastering the flute. On January 20, Shiba Whale at Shibholder tweeted that Shibarium is anticipated on Valentine's Day, February 14. The new bio, according to the Shiba Inu community, suggests that the Shibarium beta will be released on Valentine's Day. Although the launch is not yet fully planned, the fact that Shibarium's official Twitter account has released documentation on basic principles and the Bondas token suggests that the debut is almost here. According to data on GitHub, there has also been an upsurge in Shibarium-related development activity. However, as has happened before, unanticipated events could cause the launch to be postponed. In the meantime, whale accumulation is drawn to Shiba Inu and BONE tokens. Social sentiment reached an all-time high, and the rate of Shiba burns has gone up. According to a study by blockchain security pioneer Certic, Shiba Inu is the second most secure cryptocurrency project. The price of BONE ShibaSwap is currently at $1.43, up more than 8% over the past day due to investor and whale demand. Samsung Electronics has declared that 8 additional nations will now offer Samsung Wallet, its unified mobile wallet application. Singapore, Australia, Brazil, Hong Kong, Canada, India, Malaysia, and Taiwan will all get the wallet app, according to the South Korean internet giant. By the end of January, Samsung Wallet support will be available in these nations. The precise launch date, however, will vary and rely on user devices and the particular market, the company stated in a recent release. Since its June introduction, Samsung's wallet software has expanded its coverage from 7 countries to 21 as of the most recent announcement. The wallet app was first released in 2022. Users of Samsung Galaxy devices in Korea, the United Kingdom, the United States, Bahrain, China, Denmark, Spain, Finland, France, Germany, Italy, Kazakhstan, Kuwait, Norway, Oman, Qatar, South Africa, Sweden, Switzerland, Vietnam, and the United Arab Emirates can currently access the Samsung Wallet app. The app is more than just a payment platform. It also interfaces with the Samsung blockchain wallet and has built-in proprietary security platform Samsung Knox to improve its safety features. Therefore, even though Samsung's wallet app isn't specifically for cryptocurrencies, users with compatible smartphones can use it to monitor their portfolios of digital assets. This is made possible via the wallet's UI, which provides access to Bitcoin pricing on several exchanges. That concludes today. To view our most recent content, remember to give it a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.